this moment with a round of applause that symbolizes abundance mentality and abundance mindset, because lamp is an answer to the sun. If you cannot be the sun, be the lamp in somebody's life, in somebody's corner, in your corner at least. सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब.
Thank you, Jitesh, for such kind words. I think we've known each other too long, and you know that the reason for me being an actor was never anything else apart from just being a true artist to my art form. Uh, thank you. Thank you, sir, Rajendra sir. Thank you, Rohit sir. Thank you, Tarun sir. We, of course, go back a long way during your Maruti days. Thank you, Tamanna, for being here. I'm just very happy to be here because Filmfare Awards are something that I've grown up watching. And when I had the dream of becoming a film actor one day in class, must be 8th, 9th, the other dream I had was that one day I wish I could also be on that Filmfare stage, and I wish one day I could also hold this black lady. And luckily I have some, I think 6 of them now. So I'm very happy that, Filmfare, I think as we were talking outside, are the only few awards, or maybe the awards left in the country who have a lot of respect and a lot of value. Every actor, a newcomer, a senior one, they all wish, I'm sure they all wish somewhere that, we wish that we get this Filmfare this year as well. So that's the respect, that's the tradition, that's the value that Filmfare carries. And I'm very happy to be here today and to announce the 70th Hyundai Filmfare Awards with Gujarat Tourism. And I'm going to be there for sure. And I'm very excited to see Shah Rukh sir performing after a while. So can't wait to be in Gujarat on 11th of October.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request an actor who lights up both cinema screens and our hearts with equal grace, the very graceful Tamanna Bhatia, to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. Where do I start? When I became an actor and started doing South Indian films, I met Jitesh, and this very amazing relationship started of just knowing this one person who's seen the industry in a way that maybe not many people have seen. And I was a new actor, so I didn't know much. But when I met Jitesh, he really met me with a lot of warmth, a lot of love. And back in the day, there was no social media. So the relationship between an actor and a media personnel was actually extremely intimate. He became maybe one of the first few people for me in the industry where I could talk about my experiences as an actor completely without a filter and expect that at the end, when it comes out in the magazine on Filmfare, it will still be interpreted exactly like how I said it and how I meant it. And today's time and age, when we have access to social media and to create our own narrative, it often does get misinterpreted, which is strange because it's ironic that when I started working and I had wonderful people like Jitesh interpreting my words, they were always intact. So I truly believe that it's always going to be people that make industries, they're going to be people that make organizations. And whenever I think of Filmfare, I will always think of Jitesh because he is just an amazing person who, like फिल्मों में क्या होता है एक्टरों के भी वक्त बदलते हैं ना, कुछ आप 1 2 3 साल ऊपर 2 3 साल नीचे आपका पारा चढ़ता रहता है उतरता रहता है, जैसे वक्त बदलता है चीज़ें बदलती हैं. But one thing that I haven't seen change is how Jitesh treats people, whether they are starting off in the industry or they are established stars. And the kind of, like I have been on stage, and maybe it's a fun anecdote that I have never told Jitesh, but maybe it's a revelation and he will know too. I was performing for one particular South film fair, and Shah Rukh ji was supposed to be in the audience, and I was going to dance to Chammak Chalo. And I had, I had cold feet, like a person can have, because I'm like, I have to do Chammak Chalo in front of Shah Rukh. I think I'm having cold feet. So I have in the van said, हम लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ perform, मुझे tension हो रही है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. And I'd been an actor, a proper mainstream actor, done all the kind of movies, done so much work, but I had totally, like, I think there was a caravan outside the venue where we performed. So I was rehearsing inside my caravan, and people could only see the caravan like jumping from outside. And then I finally did perform, and it was one of my most fun performances, watching Shah Rukh in the front and me performing. So that's one of my most memorable film fairs where I performed. Another film fair was I gave a tribute to Prabhu Devaji. And it was a incredible, electrifying night. And I feel like for actors, we perform for the big screen. That's a very different kind of performance. But I, as an actor, always looked forward to performing on stage, because I am also like a theater artist. So I have that love for stage, and that will always be. So whenever I would perform for Filmfare, I would be like, एक लंबा एक्ट करना है, एक अच्छा बड़ा एक्ट करना है, and then we would find ways of how we could creatively lace it. So I think Filmfare as an award ceremony, it celebrates movies, actors, technicians, the whole ecosystem that creates movies. And that night, I swear to God, it's one of those nights that every movie industry person looks forward to. And unfortunately, this year I won't be making it, but I did make it for this beautiful afternoon with all of you. I am just happy that, thank you, Jitesh, thank you for thinking of me for this wonderful afternoon. And what I'm really, really more happy about, Raj, is that I get to share the stage with you. I truly do believe Rajkumar Rao is one of the finest actors we have in the country. He is somebody who brings so much innocence to the kind of characters he plays, and I have had the good fortune of being with him for a few frames in Stree. The kind of comedy, the kind of innocence you bring, I mean, I'll be honest with you, as an audience, I've only seen Shah Rukh sir back in the day have that sort of charisma, innocence, as a leading man having innocence. I think for me that is so desirable. And thank you for always showing us how it's done and playing these amazing characters, which I really look up to. And this afternoon is particularly special for me. And thank you to the media, because you guys are always so supportive, and you guys have always been there. And this wonderful stage full of dignitaries we have. Thank you, Tarun sir. I just don't want to mess up names, because thank you, Rajendra sir, and thank you. And Rohit sir. But thank you, Rohit sir, mostly for showing us that amazing Filmfare copy from I don't know how many years ago. 1952. And I think this, for me, these moments are incredibly special, because I think maybe if we again meet 10 years later on Filmfare, inshallah, we meet 10 years later, and we'll still be looking at these amazing moments. So thank you for making this super special, and thank you for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now,
Raj will read about 4, and I'll read the rest. So you want to go first, Raj? Okay.
So best sound design, Subhash Saho. Kill.
Guys, films can't be made without these people. So yeah, we need to. Yeah.
Imagine आपको गूंगी टीवी देखनी पड़ती, बहुत funny लगता. Best sound design, guys. That was, as I said, Subhash Sahu for Kill. Best editing, Shiv Kumar V. Panekar for Kill. Best action, Seong Oh and Parvez Sheikh, Kill. Best VFX, Redefine for Munjia.
And the technical awards category, best background score goes to Ram Sampath for Lapata Ladies. Best cinematography, Mr. Rafe Mahmood for Kill. Best production design, my friend Mayur Sharma for Kill. Best costume, Darshan Jalan for Lapata Ladies.
Thank you. I would now like to open the forum for the media to.
I haven't
We have
finished.
some
I
more,
haven't
yes.
finished. The award for the best choreography goes to Bosca Caesar for Toba Toba Bad News. The best story, original story award goes to Aditya Dhar and Monal Thakur for Article 370. The best screenplay award goes to Sneha Desai for Lapata Ladies. The best dialogue award goes yet again to Sneha Desai for Lapata Ladies. And the final and one of the most important awards, the adapted screenplay, goes to Ritesh Shah for I Want to Talk. Congratulations, all the technical and writing award winners. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to open the forum for the media to ask their questions.
Check.
का कितना योगदान बढ़ा है एंड कितनी ग्लैमरस हुई है, कितना ग्लैमरस हुआ है फिल्म फेयर?
मैं महिलाओं के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं, बट आई हैव टू टेल यू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एनेक्डोट. Kamini ji, who's a first Filmfare cover girl, she also showed me this cover at her place. And I was not aware, I was just like a rookie reporter then. And she said, you know, we started the award with just four awards. So the first, I have to tell you also an interesting anecdote, and hopefully we'll be able to recreate that. The first award winners were Mr. Bimal Roy for Best Director, Mr. Dilip Kumar for Best Actor, and Meena Kumari ji for Best Actress. So those were the first award winners in 1954. और औरतों का योगदान, I mean, look at the women. Madhubala, Nutan, Nargis. Look at the women. Smita Patil, Shabana Azmi. Can the history of Indian cinema be written without Sharmila ji, Rekha ji, right up to Deepika, Priyanka, Alia? Can the movies that, I mean, when you talk about Hindi cinema, one of the biggest movies you talk about is Mother India. When you talk about movies, can you ignore a Kajol? Can you ignore a Tabu? Can you ignore a Nandita Das? Can you ignore a Konkana Sen Sharma? Or even the South Indian actresses. I mean, I'm not sure if you're aware of them, but there were great actresses like Sri Vidya in Malayalam, who have, and like Tamanna herself, they've spanned all the four industries, you know, whether it's Shobhana, whether it's Revati, whether it's Rohini. They've all done all kinds of cinema. So, औरतों का योगदान, they are like this really the spine and soul of the movies. And glamour की बात, as time and social media evolves, the heroines become more and more glamorous. And Filmfare, we've tried to retain the soul more than just the glamour. And if you see that, it's reflected in the magazine as well.
और एक और योगदान ये है जितेश कि फिल्म फेयर की जो ट्रॉफी है वो ब्लैक लेडी है, ब्लैक जेंटलमैन नहीं है.
एंड तमन्ना जी, एनी मेमोरी व्हेन यू आर इन कॉलेज, स्कूल, तब से आप फिल्म फेयर टीवी पर देखा करती थी, नाउ आज आप फिल्म फेयर की पीसी में है, ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है?
I think I remember seeing Karishma Kapoor win awards, and you know, tabhi I think it was very different. It was a very even the events felt like मुझे हर artist में, like I remember एक सलवार कमीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना award collect किया. There was such a, I don't know, there was a kind of rawness to those particular award ceremonies. Am I right, Jitesh? I remember seeing, so मुझे वो एक बहुत vivid memory है. मैंने जब उन्हें देखा था, I felt कि मैं भी उनके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ. So yeah, and when I meet Lolo now, she's just warmest, sweetest. So yeah, it's like a life is like a circle.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Raj.
Samina here from Zoom channel. My question is to both Rajkumar and Tamanna. As films have also evolved over the years, with technology coming into advancement, what is that one thing when it comes to award ceremonies you want that to be evolved, and one thing that should be retained to both of them?
I think as Tamanna said, I also remember when we were growing up watching film fairs on our television screen, the whole fun of not knowing who is going to be the winner. And to get to know it then and there was such a high for us. But now, of course, because of social media, you get to know it way more in advance. I miss that. I miss that thrill of watching it on television and not knowing who's going to be the winner. And how people used to come. Everybody would come together and just root for each other. So I think that there was a lot of love and friendship, which I used to see on screen. Even on TV, I could feel that there was a lot of love and mutual admiration for each other at that time. So I wish that comes back. And what was the next one? The second? To evolve. To retain. I think the trophy should be as it is. They should never ever change the shape of the trophy. Because it's iconic, there's so much history attached to it. And it's heavy, but it's beautiful. So yeah, I think that should never ever change. And Jitesh should be the Filmfare editor all his life. Yeah. And of course, but there should be some, as you said, some incrimination. Yeah.
Yeah, this was Jitesh. Hi, this is technically supposed to be the most important aspect of filmmaking, technical team. I was wondering how come the awards were announced randomly rather than actual award in Ahmedabad?
It's not random by any stretch of the imagination. This is yet another talking point. There is a jury which will be announced at the end of on the 11th. The technical jury will be announced. And these winners will be honored in Ahmedabad. So there is the Black Lady. It will be a full-fledged function where all these winners will be honored. This is just like a talking point where we decided that, we're going to honor and announce the technical award winners. That's all. There is no attempt to make it random or anything.
Hi Raj, this side. राज आपसे 2 सवाल है. पहला तो काइपोछे गुजरात में शूट किया था, कोई खास याद है गुजरात की? और दूसरा श्रीकांत को लेके कहा जा रहा है आपको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए, क्या कहना चाहिए?
थैंक यू सो मच. गुजरात की बहुत सारी यादें हैं. काइपोछे ऑफ कोर्स पहली बात था जब मैं गुजरात गया था और हमने वहाँ लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 60 डेज वी वर देयर, 60-70 डेज हम लोगों ने महसाणा में, अहमदाबाद में बहुत शूट किया था. और मुझे बताया गया था कि ये मोदी जी का गांव भी है, आई थिंक वडनगर, तो उसकी भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट थी. बट वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, ऑल 3 of us, me, Sushant, of course we miss him a lot, and Amit, we actually lived like brothers. It was very hot. We were shooting in May, June in Ahmedabad. You can imagine the temperature. But I think this is the passion of these 3 young boys to make it and to live our respective characters with utmost sincerity. That's what kept us going. So I think बहुत सुनहरी यादें हैं शूटिंग की गुजरात में. और श्रीकांत के लिए हाँ, मैं भी ऐसा सुनता रहता हूँ कि लोगों को लगता है कि इसको मिलना चाहिए, सारे बड़े अवार्ड्स मिलने चाहिए. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. और मेरा आई थिंक यही सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मुझे बहुत सारे मेरे सीनियर्स जिन्होंने ये फिल्म देखी है, जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस देखी है, उन्होंने जब कॉल किया, जो मैं सुपर सीनियर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो आज हमारे लेजेंड्स हैं, और वो जब बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत कम परफॉर्मेंस है दुनिया में ऐसी जो एक विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड एक्टर ने निभाई है, उनमें से एक है. सो आई थिंक दैट इटसेल्फ इज़ एन अवार्ड फॉर मी. ऑफ कोर्स पीपल नो, आई नो दैट आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर ऑल माई कैरेक्टर्स, बिकॉज यही आता है मुझे. ना कभी प्लान बी था लाइफ में, यही था, और इसी की मोहब्बत में बहुत सालों से हूँ. और ये मोहब्बत हर फिल्म के साथ बढ़ती जा रही है, बिकॉज इतना वास्ट प्लेग्राउंड है एक्टिंग का कि हर फिल्म में आपको लगता है कि अरे अब ये वाला कैसे होगा. आई थिंक दैट फियर इज व्हाट कीप्स यू गोइंग, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई गेट टू वर्क इन फिल्म्स लाइक श्रीकांत एंड स्त्री. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir.
राजकुमार एंड तमन्ना जी, तकरीबन कितनी ब्लैक लेडी को कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं आप लोग अपनी लाइफ में?
जब तक काम कर रहे हैं हर साल मिलती रहे। और अभी तो
Thanks.
फिल्म फेयर OTT पे शुरू हो गया है, तो अगर OTT पे उस साल काम किया तो वो भी मिलती रहे, बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा लगता है। वैसे घर पे जाके देखो ना, सब अवार्ड्स अच्छे हैं, नेशनल अवार्ड और फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड जैसी जो स्पेशल एक फीलिंग आती है ना देख के, वो कहीं और नहीं आती है।
राजकुमार सर ने बहुत मोहब्बत के बारे में एक अच्छी बात बताई। मैंने पहले एक शेर पढ़ा था कि तराने बीत जाते हैं, फसाने बीत जाते हैं, सताने के मनाने के बहाने बीत जाते हैं, उखड़ने में कदम वक्त लगता नहीं है कुछ भी, मगर जमाने में जमाने बीत जाते हैं। Thank you all for gracing us with your presence today. It was an honor to have all of you with us at the press conference for the 70th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Gujarat Tourism and to our title partner Hyundai Motor India Limited for their invaluable support in making this milestone possible. We look forward to seeing you all in Gujarat on October 11th for the grand celebration of Hindi cinema at the 70th Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. Tickets available on District. Thank you so very much.